Congress just spent nearly $800 billion of your money. How much is that? Well, suppose you spent $1 million every single day starting from the day Jesus was born and kept spending through today. $1 million a day for more than 2,000 years. You would still have spent less money than Congress just did. So what did you get? Economists say most of the money won't help this year. The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office says the plan will actually hurt the economy in the long run. And what about the billions wasted on pork and pet projects? Congressional liberals say,
let me say this to all of the chattering class that so much focuses on those little tiny, yes, porky amendments. The American people really don't care.
Is this change you can believe in? Tell Congress to stop the wasteful spending.